Welcome viewers to our fourth video of this series on paleontology. So in this video we'll discuss briefly about the Foraminifera, which is an invertebrate organism and it is also considered as a microfossil. So Foraminifera are unicellular marine protozoans that possess a shell known as test, which is usually made up of calcium carbonate. They have an extensive geological range from Cambrian to present day. And despite being microscopic, they are extremely abundant in marine sediments and play a very crucial role in understanding the Earth's geological history, ocean conditions, climatic conditions, and sedimentary environments. So let's talk about the general characteristics of Foraminifera. So Foraminifera belongs to a phylum called Protozoa and class Sarcodina. Most of them are marine organisms, although few species can live in brackish environment, and rare forms also occur in freshwater or damp soils. There are two categories of Foraminifera. They occur in two different ecological types. Some forms occur as benthic forms, which live on or within the seafloor sediments, and the second form are planktonic. That means they float freely in ocean water. They possess fine threads-like structures called reticulopodia, which extends through small openings in the shells called foramina. This structure helps in movement, feeding, and capturing food particles. The shell or test of foraminifera can be composed of different materials. One type is agglutinated or NHS test, where sand grains or sedimentary particles are cemented together. The another common type is calcareous test, which is composed of calcium carbonate and may be of two types. Some are perforated, means they contain spores, and some are imperforated or porcelainous, means they lack pores. Some forms may also show vitreous or glassy appearance. Uh, Now let's talk about the test. Some forms have a single chamber and they are known as unilocular or monothylamous forms. Others have multi-chambers and they are known as multilocular or polythylamous forms. The very first chamber formed during growth is called proloculum, and additional chambers are added as the organism grows. This chambered structure is an important feature used in their identification and classification. Now the chambers of the test can be arranged in several patterns. These includes uniserial arrangement where chambers occur in a single straight row, biserial arrangement where chambers occurs in two alternate rows, triserial arrangement where chambers are arranged in three rows. Another important arrangement is spiral coiling, which may be either planispiral or trochospiral. The coiling may be evolute, where earlier chambers are visible, or involute, means where earlier chambers are hidden. Sometimes depressions known as umbilicus may be also present. A foraminifera test possesses an opening, which is called as aperture, through which the organism extends its pseudopodia. The aperture may occur in different positions such as terminal, peripheral, central, or basal. Its shapes may also vary, being circular or slit-like or sometimes radial. In addition, the surface of the test may show some ornamentations like ribs, costae, keels, spines, carini, reticular patterns, etc. One of the important feature which is usually found in foraminifera is the dimorphism, means two forms of the same species may occur. The first type is called megalospheric form, where the initial chamber, that means the proloculum, is large. And the second type is the microspheric form, where the proloculum is small. The dimorphism is related to their reproductive cycle. A classical example shows this phenomena in the genus of Nemulitis, which is very important in tertiary stratigraphy. Foraminifera are classified into several major groups based on their taste structure and chamber arrangement. And some of the important classes are like Astorizidia, Endothyridia, Litulodia, Milioloidia, Rotilidia, Lejanidia, and Bulimidia. Each of these groups includes numerous families and genera. Foraminifera have an extensive geologic range from Cambrian to recent, and primitive agglutinated forms first appeared during Cambrian. Later, calcareous forms evolved during Ordovician period and they became extremely abundant from the Carboniferous period onwards. Certain genera are characteristic of particular geologic period. For example, Fussulina is a typical of Carboniferous. Globotrancana is characteristic of late Cretaceous. Then Nummulites are common in Paleogene. Foraminifera are highly sensitive to environmental factors like temperature, salinity, water depth, bottom condition, etc. Therefore, they are widely used in paleogeological studies. Planktonic foraminifera mainly indicate surface water temperature and oceanic conditions, where the benthonic forms provide information about seafloor environments and water depth. Therefore, they help reconstruct ancient marine environments and past climatic conditions. They also play an important role in petroleum geology because they are used for precise age determination of sedimentary rocks, stratigraphic correlation between wells, identification of depositional environments, and recognition of oil-bearing horizons. Several genera of foraminifera are considered as index fossil. For example, Rhabdamina, it has a stratigraphic range from Silurian to recent. Fussulina from Carboniferous, Orbitolina from Cretaceous, Globigerina from Cretaceous to recent, Globotrancana late Cretaceous, Nummulitis Paleogene to Oligocene, Acylina Paleocene to recent, Alveolina from Eocene. So in conclusion, foraminifera are among the most of the important microfossils in geology. Their wide geological range, rapid evolution, and sensitivity to environmental conditions make them extremely valuable in biostratigraphy, paleoenvironmental reconstruction, petroleum exploration, etc. Therefore, the study of foraminifera plays a crucial role in understanding both Earth's geological history and modern marine environments. So, this is a brief idea about foraminifera. Check out our next video to know more about other invertebrate organisms. Thank you.